Do you ever want an ultra easy way to cover a blank page? Just a quick and easy tip when you're like in the home stretch and you just gotta have one more idea and it's gotta be easy because that's all I got. Okay, this might be the ticket. All right, so here we are with the this is the page layout, journal page layout series of episodes, and this is a very quick, probably the veriest easy idea I think I presented. Basically, it's gluing one thing down and you're pretty much done unless you want to do a little extra fluff. And so basically what it is if you are faced with a blank page, and it's the last one of your signature, or you're just, you just want to wrap it up, or you just want something, what I call the awe page, the AWE, the awe, just a page to look at and go, aw, or that's amazing, this could be your answer. And basically, it utilizes a book page, but you take a special book page. You pick out a book that maybe you're pulling book pages out of, but maybe you want to save the first page of the book. And this is a wonderful way to honor the book, its origins, and also use it as a page in and of itself. And you can ink around the edges as I did here. This book page actually creeps over the edges of the actual page it's glued upon. And I'll just show you the other side. The other side has the upsy downsy tuck. And this page is actually strengthening this entire design by placing a book page on it. So it serves a couple purposes, and it's fun and it's super easy. So let's give it a go. And it's always nice to have multiple options in the back pocket, right? So here is the page that we're going to be working on. It's the last page of the first signature in this book. And here is the book page that I'm going to be using. And this book page was the inside, I think this was the back, nope, this was the front cover of that actual, what I showed you, the same book. So I really love this page and all the beautiful green, and it goes very well with this journal, and it has a lot of nature in the journal, in this page. And somebody wrote years ago, 1941 on there, and I think that's kind of cool. So I think I'm going to put it on this page. Now, this page is a little bit different because we have the white border of the page, and you can purely leave that as accent and just be fine with that. I think I actually, this is actually over inking from when I was inking another page. I didn't ink this yet. It does have some ink on it from previous inking I did on a previous page. It just sort of ran over, which looks fine. I think it gives that little vintage aged look. And but what I think I'm going to do with this one, just to be a hair different, is I'm going to do a little bit of stenciling on the white, so it's not so stark white, and there's just a little bit of variety. Just something for fun, just something to show you. These stencils are great. I get mine on eBay. I usually click on priced lowest to highest, and I go to the very lowest, and there's always amazing deals on stencils. I mean, they may take a while to arrive, but honestly, they're so reasonable, it's ridiculous. And so you might want to explore that, or you can make your own stencils. Let's say you take a piece of paper and you cut out a shape, and then you cover it with packing tape both sides, and you got a stencil. Pretty easy, huh? Yeah, we could do that too. And just coming around the mountain here. Now, it's always a little tricky to get to that inny spot. We'll see what we can do. Let's see. I'm going to pick part of the stencil that goes close to the wall. Well, we'll try this and see how it goes. Maybe I need a different brush. Let me try this little blendy guy. See this little blendy guy? He's actually pink, but we may have to pretend he's green today because he's right here, and I can get in a corner better with him. Okay, better than the regular dauber. So that's one of those makeup brushes with the dense heads, and there's a link below if you're interested in that. But you can get them at most stores now, like Targets and Marshalls and things like that. They have them. Okay, so now let's see how this looks. See what we're working with now. Okay. Yeah, I think that looks a little better. Maybe I want a little more emphasis because there's some areas that I don't really see. So let me put some more stuff here. I'll put you there. And I'll put some more stuff that actually shows. That's always helpful. Can you see this? Am I in frame? Yep, I'm in frame. Yay, I'm in frame. Okay, so this kind of helps guide you to get it where it needs to go once you take it off and look at it. Give the old official assessment. All right, let's try again. Maybe a little more at the top too. What do you think? Yeah, let's do a little more at the top. I'm going to put these 3 little guys there. Okay. Put some of you there. How about a little you there? There? Okay. Well, we're going to town now, apparently. All right. So here we go. That's pretty as it is. Geez, I could just leave that. Or I could put a poem in here. Or I could draw a little something or put some stickers. Yeah, I really like that. I've discovered something new. It's called stencil framing. At least it's new to me. Probably others are doing this out there all the time. I really like that. Should I glue that down or not? Yes, I should complete the mission. Complete the mission. I can always do it again. You're right. I have the tool in my tool chest now. Oh, we could have a lot of fun with that. All right, let's remember that. Okay. Yep. I like that. Okay, so this is a biggie. So let's see. I'm going to use Fabrifix just because it's a biggie, and really no other reason than that. Any glue will work here. The Fabrifix will not make your paper warple as much as the wet white glue. Something to think about. Although the artist glitter glue is not that bad for wrinkling. All right, there we go. Let's see if we make contact. Let's see. It's coming out. Are you coming out? Yeah. We'll squeeze the root. It's coming out. So, okay, I might have to hang on. I'll work with this a little bit. All right, well, I'll just show you what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just going in here and I'm pulling out more of the dried clump. Yeah, okay, there we go. All right, let's see if that works better. Okay, here we go. Now we're on, right? Yeah, I gotta wait for my blob to come down. Is it down? I think it's down. Okay. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Always a little tricky when you get near the end. All right, trying to get every little drop out of here. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna, oh no, here it comes. Okay, I was just about ready to give up on you. Oh, you're barely coming out. All right, one good squeeze. All right, you're just fighting me too much this morning, so I'm going to put you down. I'm going to put you down, and I'm going to get your big brother. Yeah, big brother's not going to give me so much sass. Okay, this guy's half full, so he'll work better, right? Yeah. Okay. Throw away that glue glob. Should be smooth sailing here. Oh yeah, here we go. Now we're rolling. Okay. Yeah, we're coming down. Now it's like old times. Yeah, we like this. All right, getting my edges good. Attending to edges. Edge attendance happening before your eyes. And we're gluing. And we're going to do the big X today. Yeah, it's good for big spaces and maybe just a little switchback for fun. All right, I think that's good. We're going to cover that. And I have a bad habit of not covering the glues. So if you're better at covering the glues, they'll be smooth, like thinner, and they won't get all goopy thick as much. Oh, I'm going to get that right where it needs to be. And there. Okay. And there we go. So I like that. It is needing a little bit of, where are you? My little green thingy. My dauber. Come here, dauber. Where'd you go? You were right here. You can't possibly be... Oh, there you are. I see you. Okay. All right. Just need a little bit more inking here. Not much, just a little. Just emphasizing the edges. And as you can see, this is just a very simple way to do this. Now, you can purely honor this as is and not do anything to it, or you could do something to it. And I think I'm not going to do anything to it. I'm just going to honor it as is because I just love the beauty of this page. It's just a gorgeous design. So I'll give you a little closer look at it. Boop. Oh, man. Here. 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 All right. So that's about it. I told you this was an easy one. It's crazy, isn't it? All right, so just a very fun, very kind of like emergency cover, a white page fast, easy idea, and a great way to honor an old book page that you just don't want to cut up, don't want to destroy, and certainly don't want to throw away. So there you go, folks. I hope this helps. Happy crafting today. If you found value here, please like, subscribe, and share. Got the 10,000 subscriber giveaway contest going on. Thank you very much to everybody, and be sure to enter that. Just check it out in at the underneath all my videos. You're going to find a link to the subscriber contest playlist, so you can find the contest there. And the winner is going to be drawn on February 1st, 2020. And the prize is a journal kit with a whole bunch of stuff to go with it. So it's a naked journal with a bunch of stuff for you to play with. And what else? Okay, so we've got the Twitter, the Pinterest, the Instagram, and the Facebook. The Facebook page is up and running. The Facebook group will be up and running very soon. And that's pretty much it for now. So you guys have an awesome day. Happy crafting, and be back at you soon. Take care, everyone. Remember that fun can be simple, and create with reckless abandon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.